If you've been scheduled for a phone hearing for your Social Security disability claim, it's completely normal to feel unsure about what's going to happen. But understanding the process ahead of time can help you feel more confident and prepared. A phone hearing is conducted by an administrative law judge, or ALJ, just like an in-person hearing. The main difference is that instead of appearing in a courtroom, you'll be participating by phone. On the call, you'll typically have the judge, your attorney if you have one, and possibly a vocational expert or medical expert. At the start of the hearing, the judge will swear everyone in. From there, the judge will ask you questions about your medical conditions, your symptoms, your treatment history, and your past work. They're trying to understand how your condition impacts your ability to work on a consistent, full-time basis. You may be asked very specific questions about your daily life, things like how long you can sit or stand, whether you need breaks, how your condition affects your concentration, and what a typical day looks like for you. It's important to be honest and detailed in your responses. The judge is not looking for perfect answers, they're looking for accurate ones. If a vocational expert is present, they will provide testimony about whether jobs exist for someone with your limitations. The judge may ask them hypothetical questions, and your attorney will have the opportunity to cross-examine them to highlight why you may not be able to perform those jobs. One advantage of a phone hearing is convenience. You don't have to travel, and many people feel more comfortable speaking from their own environment. However, it's still important to treat it seriously. Make sure you're in a quiet location, your phone is fully charged, and you won't be interrupted during the hearing. Preparation is one of the most important parts of a successful hearing. Understanding the types of questions you'll be asked and how to explain your limitations clearly can make a significant difference. At Disability Advocates Group, we work closely with our clients to prepare them for hearings, gather and organize medical evidence, and present the strongest possible case before the judge. If you have a phone hearing coming up or have already been denied benefits, call Disability Advocates Group at 800-788-2095 or use the free SSDI screener on our website to see if you may qualify. This video provides general information about SSDI. It does not constitute legal advice.